If you are into freelancing or doing side projects for a while, you might already have for once bought shared hosting, which is in no way a bad deal if you want your project up and running in no time and don't want to deal with complicated server setup stuffs. But sometimes you are hit hard by the limitations put into shared hosting, and you really need the good stuff but don't want to spend any extra, like a Node environment in PHP only hosting platform. Now you won't get a pass on running npm start and hosting your entire Node project on a shared hosting PHP only platform, but sometimes a simple npm run build on your React, Vue or Angular project is always a nice to have deal. So let's get started. I'll start by SSHing into my shared hosting server, and here's I don't have Node and npm. Starting from zero. I'll visit Node.js download page into other downloads and copy the link to download a latest compressed release. Easier for me to extract with already existing tools in shared hosting. That is Node version 14.15.1 for a 64-bit Linux system. In my shared hosting, I'll navigate to opt, where I have write permission, and duplicate the file. Next step is fairly predictable. I'll unzip the compressed file with the tar tool and let it finish. cd into the directory inside bin. We can simply execute Node, but it's not handy to always cd into the directory, and easier if Node was available globally in the shell. For this, we'll add a path to Node on outbash.rc. pwd gives the absolute path to Node, and then we edit the .bash rc to add a path to Node and export it. Save and exit. Now, Node won't be instantly available on the running shell unless we refresh the session or refresh bash.rc. Now Node is available and ready for use and works normally as you expect. Node REPL works perfectly. Now for npm, the process just before did it for it too. We have npm available globally on our shell, since the exported path had a node and npm as well. Now to test it, there's not much to be tested. I'll create a directory and initialize it as a node project, and that's all. You can really do much more, like running npm build on every deploy setup by a CI/CD or GitHub Actions.
These bandanas make it hurt.
So that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I hope to see you guys in the next one.